raw masala sambar. The main difference between the rest of the sambar as well as this sambar is we are not adding any dal item towards this sambar. We are choosing only coconut. With coconut and this masalas, we are grinding it and making sambar. And that too, we are making raw masala. That is, usually when for sambar, we used to fry all the masalas in coconut oil and then only we usually grind it. But here, in this case, I am using all the masala items raw, grind it and then mix with the sambar. We take drumstick. See, I have just cut it into small pieces. And Tora means, I think you know, in Kannada we call it as sevudapittu and in Malayalam we call it as chamber. These are the main two items. You can also add another yet potatoes or tomatoes, etc. But here I am not using tomato because I already included tamarind in this particular sambar. So the rest of the ingredients are little turmeric powder, little cumin seed, little coriander, little red chilli, salt to taste, a piece of tamarind, little jaggery, and finally one coconut scrape. Now finally for seasoning I have taken a little mustard, red chilli and coconut oil. Now let us see how to prepare the sambar. First, as raw itself, we are going to grind the rest of the items. I will show you now. So I am adding first this coconut scrape. Along with I am adding this red chilli, coriander, cumin seed, that is jeera, now we will grind this first. My pan is preheated and I have poured some water and it started boiling. Now first we will add this tamarind squeezed water towards it. Turmeric powder. Now towards this we are going to add this Tora as well as the drumstick. As I told you, you can add any hard style vegetables along with this, but here I am adding just Tora and drumstick. Now we will add little more water so that it gets cooked properly. Drumstick has already been cooked because it takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Only this Tora needs more cooking and that is cooked. Now we will add towards this masala plus coconut grinded together. I am adding little more water towards it. Now we will just leave it to get cooked properly. Everything, all masala and these pieces, everything gets mixed up and cooked properly. Now we will just shift it to a serving bowl. I am going to season it. Now it's ready. Let us garnish a bit with little coriander leaves. So please try at home at least once. So, and let me know the comments through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.